How to find mutual friends on TikTok. So if you want to find mutual friends on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, now you need to go with profile, which is on the bottom right. Under profile, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and tap on settings and privacy. Once you go with settings and privacy, and now you need to tap on the privacy option. Under privacy, you need to go with suggest your account to others. And after tapping on that, here you will have contacts, Facebook friends, people with mutual connections, and people who open or send links to you. So if you have an option of people with mutual connections, then you just need simply go and toggle it on. And once you toggle that option on, then you will find your mutual friends on TikTok. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.